Nothing derails your day like a dead laptop or device with no outlet in sight. Meet Edge from Krafted. A portable charger that sits right under your laptop and goes wherever you go. Edge will fully charge your laptop up to 4 times or your phone more than 5 times. It's super slim, made from lightweight aluminium and has its own cable. Built with sustainability in mind, you can swap out the battery cells to keep your edge for life. Swap the battery, keep your edge.
Hi, I'm Charlie. And I'm Vinal, and we're the co-founders of Krafted. We started a business 4 years ago, wanting to look at all the things we've done in the past, but make them better. We've made millions of products for global retailers, and now it's time for a change.
Our products have got innovation that solve real everyday problems, and we design everything with the end of life in mind right from the start. So our products last much longer, they're repairable whenever humanly possible, and we also use materials that can be recycled or have been recycled, like ocean plastic, aluminium and things like that.
My name is Darren, I'm a designer for Krafted and I'm in charge of all products. Edge is a power bank you can take on the go for your laptop. So the base is made from aircraft grade aluminium. The main thing with aircraft grade aluminium is the fact that it's super strong and super lightweight, meaning that it's very convenient for people to use, travel with, it's lightweight, you can put it in your bag and you know it's not going to weigh you down. The top plate is made from ocean plastic. We take plastic from the ocean and repurpose it into our products, making it extremely sustainable. Edge also features 2 silicone ridges. This helps your laptop not slip. It also helps with ventilation because it creates a gap between the product and your laptop.
The Edge power bank basically is exactly that. It's an ultra thin power bank for people on the go. So it just means that I can charge my laptop, phone, device, whatever it might be, and not have to worry about where the next charge is coming from.
You'll never need to find a plug socket again. This will charge your laptop up to 4 times in a day.
It's super slim, so it sits neatly under your laptop while you work. It's not a big bulky brick, and it slides into your laptop case without taking up loads of room, and it's also super lightweight.
We're launching Edge on Kickstarter because we always love watching, helping and mentoring small businesses, and that is ultimately how Kickstarter started back in the day.
As self-confessed product nerds, it's a great way to get new innovation to people who really care about it.
We, at the heart of it, are slightly geeky, and we know on this platform we can find people that are the same.
We're looking for people who believe in our mission to reshape tech and people who share our passion for awesome products and want to see them become a reality.
We love our brand and we think Edge is a product people can't do without, so we'd love as many people as possible to get involved.
For me, it's just convenience. I don't have to worry about carrying chargers around with me. I can take it around all day and charge my laptop, my phone, my AirPods, anything else. It's just really simple.
There's nothing worse than obviously getting down to the last few percent on your laptop. You start to have a panic. You look around for a plug socket, there's nothing there. It takes all that stress away. You can just get it out, plug it in, and away you go.
I don't think there's a worse feeling than your laptop battery dying halfway through work. That's why I've started using the Edge by Krafted. It's an ultra-slim laptop charger made from lightweight aluminum with a minimal design. The setup is super straightforward. It sits right under your laptop and comes with an inbuilt cable. Just like that, it will charge your laptop 3 times over, thanks to its 20,000 mAh capacity. Plus, because it has additional ports, you can also charge multiple devices at one go. So whether I'm working from home, a cafe, or even outdoors, I've got power for my laptop and devices at all times. No more need to find outlets when I'm out. If you want your setup to stay clean at home but still work anywhere, the Edge by Krafted is a solid essential.
It's not just about the money for us. We want to start a movement and for people to get on the journey as early as possible to change the face of tech. And at the same time, innovation comes at a cost, so the funding's always gratefully received.
We would love your support, so please back us and make this a reality. Let's start the Krafted revolution.